doing?
We're picking up an engine. All right, guys, so good luck. I guess we're getting an engine for a deal today. So, yeah, so first things first, me and Buddha are headed to go pick up Forrest to go get the engine because I don't know as much about engines as he does. And we just picked up this quad, which we're going to go drop off with Forrest that we picked up from Ricky because, you know, it's just what you do. So, yeah, we're just going to cruise. Right, Buddha? You hyped up for this engine? You're so excited for this engine, you can't even contain it. And if you're new here, this is my 1994 Honda Del Sol. It was a non-VTEC, and now we're going to make it into a beast with the K24A2 from a TSX. And yeah, so if you're interested in this build, follow along as we build the ultimate budget K-Series. Hopefully all-wheel drive eventually. All right, guys, so we officially got our K24A2, and now what we're doing is just wiring up. And actually, while we were there, we got a deal. So we ended up getting an EG red Civic we're gonna buy for 200 bucks. All right, guys, successfully got the engine home. It survived. Buddha's pushing against it. Now we gotta basically get the engine hoist now and line it up, put on the bolts to get it in the garage. Alright guys, so we got the engine here. We got our K24A2. It's supposed to be an RBV with the 3 lobes, so it's supposed to be the real VTEC on both the exhaust and the intake side. So yeah, check it out. Right now we're just a little confused because it has an RAA on it. So is this, I guess we can look under here to know if it's a 3 lobe or whatnot. But
so here's what we're doing now. So we want to know the condition of this engine. So what we're gonna do is we're just taking out all the spark plugs and the head so we could take it off, and then we're gonna look into each of these cylinders with a scope, a little camera, and then yeah, so check it out. Right now we just took off the cover.
it's not ideal.
All that stuff will clean up. It rubs right off.
Yeah.
See, it's flat again.
That means it was running rich probably, or it was sitting for a long time.
Condensation from sitting.
So it was sitting with the head off or something?
No, the valve cover gaskets are bad.
Oh. Head gas is probably bad too, huh? And if you guys want to check out his channel with his Cressida Mark II, check out Forever Drifting Cars, and I'll put a link to it. But he's actually teaching me what to do because I'm just learning about cars. I've had this car my whole life. I've fixed and everything, but upgrading cars and making them fast and safe, or dangerous and fast, I don't know. But yeah, he's teaching me that process.
And now what we're doing is we're looking inside, and you see it's sort of a little gross on one side on the cams, but it shouldn't be a problem. We'll probably replace it with better cams anyways. But yeah, so not the best, but... And then yeah, so now we're going a little deeper. So we're actually took out the spark plugs, and we're actually going inside the cylinder so we can look to see if it's all sort of gummed up inside. And the first one's sort of hard to see because it's a little close, but then the second one you could easily see.
On spark plug 2.
That one looks really good.
Oh, that one looks way better.
It looks the same. It's still crusty.
You just weren't as far down.
It's just the piston isn't as far down on the other one. Yeah, that looks good.
So now what are you doing? You're just turning it over to test, see if it turns over. 2019. Need more power? More power, baby. More torque.
See, and it looks good to us. We turned the motor over a few times just to make sure it turns and grease it up. And yeah, so we pretty much checked everything but compression and a leak down test on this motor, and it's looking good, and it's a Honda motor, so I think we're just gonna send it. So if you guys like this, like, subscribe, and yeah, catch you guys next time when we actually install and get this ready to install.